profit yami.
Okay. Okay, asiphinde ne? Now, uma ngithi sizobhaya la, i-market roughly here, we want to buy la. I-market isuke phezulu yehla yajika lana yashiya something la yakhuphuka yatesta yabuya yazofika la yakhuphuka yabuya yazotesta up until izofika kuphi ku-support. You know that we have to buy ifika ku-support angithi. So uma sizobhaya laphayana, uma uzobhaya la expecting ukuthi inyuke iye phezulu, you have to use this downtrend for ukuthi place i-take profit yakho. Should wena whatever you're going to do as market inyuka, uzorelya ku-left hand side. Yayibona. Asenze example. In early namhlanje kuseni tathakusa bekune-opportunity la. Yayibona? Eyani? Eye-rally base run. Uma uzozithola ungene la ubhayile, nayo chance yakho ukuthi buy. So if you had a chance to buy here, uyabuya uza ngapha ku-downtrend of which is this one, uzobuka ukuthi yini onayo ebayishiye bangayithestanga engenza ukuthi i-market ibuye izo-reversa kuleyo nto leyo. And then if you realize that you don't have much here engakwazi ukuthi ishintshe i-direction ye-market, therefore you go up to the resistant, uzofuna ini ku-resistant, you take profit yakho. So umbuka nje entry yale potential continuation pattern, i-exit point yakho ikuphi? Straight on the resistance. Uyaphuma ku-resistance. If ubona okay fine, again as we are on the resistance, sinani sine first time touch eye-resistant laphayana. Since we first time touch yakho eye-resistant, wenzani? Ungena la again. Uma ungena la, i-exit point yakho ungayibeka la. Why be specific? Usunani laphayana, usune support fresh, uzoyifaka nje kanje, yabona? Uya-exit i-support yakhe fresh. Angithi uyayibona njengoba i-reach this support manje, ngaba i-support yesibili njengoba uyibona so. Inga-reversa iye phezulu izotesta ini? I-PCP esinayo laphayana. Once itesta i-PCP, expect ukuthi izobreaka iye ngezansi. Now you have i-support ezoba broken, izobuya izoba ne-resistance. So in case uzofuna ukubuya mayifika la ezansi, uzobhaya, you must know ukuthi uzo-exita kuphi specific and uzo-exita because of what? You didn't realize, oh, here you have a support that was broken. Definitely here it's going to be a resistance. So you ungena la, uphuma la, you are done. Even if you are selling, you're going to do the same thing. Always go back to your left-hand side and check which left-hand side wakho unani that you can use. Angazi noma sesahamba together.
Yeah, I get it.
Ukhona okunye mhlambe ithi sibone. Bafethu ngaphambi kokuthi siye deep, welcome ngiyakhumbula engitshela ukuthi angikhona ukumfaka in time egroupini bafo ukhona la pick up ekhona noma mhlambe usasalele emuva. Uma ukuthi usasalele emuva, let us go back sibone ukuthi siyicover kanjani la usele khona. Ngathi bakhona usemsebenzini akakhona ukuphendula. Akakhona ukuphendula.
Ngicela ukuthi uyabe
Yep.
ku-network uyazi ngathi bekunombuzo ekuseni ku-network. Ngicela ukuthi uye khona please.
Ku-Nasdaq, okay, asizame ukuyivula kodwa namhlanje bengithi ngifuna sigcile kakhulu ngapha ku-deriv because of la groupini kunabantu abasebenzisa u-deriv. Someone asked ukuthi ucela sikhave u-deriv kayi-1 because of most of the time angiba live ngikhuluma ngama-currencies only, so angiwukhave u-deriv. Let's try ukuthi siqede nge-deriv and then sizomuvela kuma-currencies up, if possible. Ikhave bese siyaphuma, but uma izovula manje because ngicede ukuyivula i-trading book, sizohamba sizoyi-check ukuthi ime kanjani. Uma ngathi uyayibuka lento ebeyi-affecta mhlambe or ebeyi-challenge, ngaba yinto enjani mhlambe sikwazi ukuyibuka ngapha. Okay, I see ukuthi ama-questions awekho that much. Now, before siqhubeka siya deep, I do have few questions, guys. But ama-questions engizowabuza sizosebenzisa u-10 minutes or u-5 minutes, ne? And then uma sisebenzisa u-5 minutes, I'll ask ama-questions of you kunento engifuna niyi-check-e lana, ne? And then sizoya ku-higher time frame. So yeah, let us start from a higher time frame. Ngisebenzise the opportunity ekhona here. I'll use for hour on the entry potential continuation pattern. This is volatility 75. Ne? Now, sine entry a potential continuation pattern that is telling us that we are pushing the market down, right? Okay, I want us to go to 1 hour. Uma uzotrader on 1 hour time frame, ubuzokwazi ukuyithola i-opportunity ASL here. If ubuzokwazi ukuyithola, ubuyithola kuphi specific uma sibuka le chart right now. Let's say you got to ukuthatha the same opportunity engale ku-4 hour time frame. So if you come to smaller time frame, where were you going to get your entry here? Your smaller time frame, it's gonna be 1 hour. We will go down as a smaller time frame. I'm a call. Now, if we would the opportunity ayikho here, we will move to 30 minutes. From 30 minutes, we go to 15, 10, and 5. Kuyento engifuna ukuthi niyifunde today. Now, uma ubuka la, the opportunities now, let's go to 2 hours. We don't have much here. Let's go to 3 hours. On 3 hours, there's nothing using 3 hours. Ne? Now, uma sibona la, since 3 hours are basically, so that means you won't do anything on 3 hour time frame. Then you go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, you realize that you do have a potential continuation pattern. There is something that you can do. You're gonna look for a sell opportunity. Now, immaturity yenu, before sibuyela kule nto engifuna ukunibuza yona, ivamise ukuthi i-challenge i-scenario efana naleyo. You have a potential continuation pattern there. Let me change the color. You have a potential continuation pattern of which is a what? It's a rally, phase, run. And then again here, the color. Again here, you have the what? The potential continuation pattern of which is a what? Drop phase stop. Now, immaturity, when they come across such information like market, they end up not knowing what to do. The market is a respect or is a respect manje makusongenza njani? Ngiyangena, ngiyabhaya, mangabhaya ingayiphezulu besane yehle. Mangizosuke ngibhaye lana then it push apart. Ourselves manje, okay, from here, what is it that we have to do? You guys become confused. Now, so what is it that you have to do to find yourself safe? Start analyzing again. On top, you have a resistance, the fresh one. Again, you have a second time touch on the resistance. Remember, whenever you're gonna sell on the resistance, or when you sell, you know that I said you must rely on the uptrend. When you buy, you must rely on what? On the downtrend on your left-hand side, sharp feed. Now, in scenario, since we are on the resistance, we are selling. Where is our take profit? Your first take profit is on the potential continuation pattern, TP. Your second take profit is on the support below. I'm sorry, the support, TP, support. On a potential continuation pattern, on a support. I'll go deeper so that you can have a better understanding. Now, what scenario efana nalena kwenzekani again? Uma ubuka la. Let me change the color. Uma ubuka this candlestick, the green one, ibuyile yazotesta the potential continuation pattern. And then, mayibuya la, this green candlestick was created before but reach a potential continuation pattern. You had a new potential continuation pattern now. Remember, it is called potential continuation pattern for a reason. It is a continuation of a trend. So as it is a continuation of a trend, we want if fresh, the market here, it is 4 hours. for after i-4 hour vela elinye i-candlestick lika-4 hours futhi elibuya lizo-testa ini liqedelela ama-orders amancane akhona laphaya liya-reversa futhi liyavala la iyavula le eye-4 hours iyehla izovala roughly here mayivala la wena manje so i-opportunity oyibukile ikuphi manje opportunity oyibukile sell la on this potential continuation pattern. If you're going to find yourself selling here, where are you going to exit? Also exit mayifika la or mayifika la, you have a choice. It will be up to you to know. Now, what is it you're going to do? You'll wait for this candlestick, the green candlestick inside, which will release a tester, this potential continuation pattern so that you can find yourself selling. Why only upaya la? It is because of this one. Sell test you already. Now, kumbula rules a potential continuation pattern. You have to make sure that it was not tested by all means. Do not trade a potential continuation pattern that was tested. Hence, you can see now we have a new potential continuation pattern, of which is this one. The market is a reversal roughly each somewhere here. Why here specific? On 1 hour, you have a potential continuation pattern here. This is a Kubeka eBay downtrend. Ngathi mifika la iphinde reverse futhi iyo test this big potential continuation pattern ika-4 hour because now ikuphi iku-support ku-smaller time frame. Let's move to a smaller time frame. Now into engifuna pay attention kiyo kakhulu yini ilaphayana ku-potential continuation pattern ka-4 hour. Ngifuna ukuthi ubuke the power yokusebenzisa i-higher time frame. Why it is important for you to learn how to trade on higher time frame. We move to 3 hours. You also check a few minutes back with Punani. Now this is our 3 hours. There's nothing on 3 hours. We move to 2 hours. On 2 hours, we do have a potential continuation pattern of which is this one, and it is very much big. And it was tested by this candlestick. Can you see this candlestick? And again, the same candlestick that you see as a potential continuation pattern, it was tested. If you look at this is the candlestick, it was tested. And then you look at this one. Look at the wick. Went inside this potential continuation pattern. Therefore, they're going to break this one. Now, as they push all the way up, remember, this is 2 hour time frame. What is it we have to do now? We will move with the time frames to 1 hour. What is it we have on 1 hour now? We have a resistance here. And then there's no opportunity that you see right now here that will allow you to sell here. Besides this potential continuation pattern, it created a potential continuation pattern on 4 hour time frame. So the opportunity of all the data ASL, where you told would be on 1 hour right now. There's no opportunity currently here. Okay, sharp. What is it we're gonna do? We're gonna move to 30 minutes up until 5 minutes using this information. Now, Jobante is a chigiswa law. Asifake horizontal line laphayana. Uma sifake horizontal line sifika ini resistant 1, 2. We don't have a trend line here. Near resistant and amasages out to again nicely on 1 hour time frame. But remember, if we are on a higher time frame, if we can a potential continuation pattern, let's move to 15 minutes. For 15 minutes still, our score is busy. Ubuzo was we to like entry here if ubusebenza a smaller time frame. Ubuzo was the market is a Chicago Piganjani. No, we go to 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, our reflect is business. There's nothing much that we have besides here on top. Sinan is in supply and demand in the beginning of the new trend. Let us highlight it. This is 10 minutes time frame. The market actually close or as it's eating the pioneer reject. You can see with the resistance here to penetrate you a little bit. So as it's by testing that supply and demand. Let's move to 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I'll confirm with it test you, but I would say it tested due to the spread. Let's just put it by testing. Now, the opportunity on smaller time frame, how are you gonna know this is where the market's gonna change the direction? Okay, fine. Now this is what I have. Go to daily time frame. Let's zoom out. Put daily time frame in the week keeper. On top, before Sibanama opportunity what is it we have here? You have your resistance here. You have your resistance again. How many touches we have? 2 touches. I always say whenever you want to sell the resistance, always check, or the support, always check how many touches you have. It's 2 touches now. You notice that, oh, flip. That means we're pushing it down. Good. What do? You move to 12-hour time frame. 12-hour uspateleni. Look at 12-hour, yes, 12-hour. Let me remove this one. You go to 12-hour, yes, your resistance again. You go to 8 hours. Let's say hours are will tolerate on this resistance, and now you notice that the market is going down. Now we have a downtrend. What do you do again? You move to smaller time frame, of which is going to be 6-hour time frame right now. Here's your 6-hour time frame. The market manager is comba in, is comba over. We are approaching, we're going to break this support. And if we break this support, we're going to reach this support again. Uma sizoreacha this support, izo-reversa ibuyele emuva. Uma i-reversa ibuyele emuva, iyaphi? Let's move this. Sifake la. This is 6-hour time frame. Isuka manje suka la izobuya izotesta la bese qhubeka ne-trend. This is a continuation of the trend. This is the pattern that shows that the market is still going to that particular direction. Let's move to 4-hour time frame. 4-hour now, we are confirmed still now. Let's move this one. The entry on this green candlestick. And then the same green candlestick became a potential continuation pattern. They're gonna come back for it. Now, if someone were to ask me, okay, fine. Now, Mawat utata the opportunity right now here. Ubuyo itata will be specific. If we opportunity on 1-hour time frame, I notice that we have a potential continuation pattern here. And almost a potential continuation pattern guide. Are you thinking up until the market reach the potential continuation pattern? Someone say, okay, fine. We know we can see which market it will support now. It will support why for buy here. Remember, I always say one and the same thing. Always move according to the direction of the market. The direction the market eating, we are going down. So I'm going against the direction of the market. This is the main reason why so many people are taking losses in the market. It is because of some will be like, if I'm going to buy here and then I exit here, I'm going to make 1 point something, I'm going to kill it. Let me get in here, I'm going to exit here. You get in here by break, by an. Where are you now with killing the market? You're finding yourself taking losses that could have been prevented. Yes, so galana futhi you relax. If you gonna pioneer, you sell, you place your stop loss above 90% safe than the person who's gonna buy here. Why is 90% safe than the person who's gonna buy here? If the market beats, it's a it was gonna be safe for us with single. But no, yes, I'm assigned no, we are not going to go up much. So if siya phezulu sizosukala sizela asidluleli ukuya ngaphezulu. And now uma uyibuka ngamanye amehlo futhi you can spot a trend line laphana enamathatha ayi-2. Uma kuwukuthi leyo trend line yakwazi ukuyibona, ngicela uyiveze ku screen. Accurate. I-trend line yethu ke ime kuphi Maxo? I-trend line yethu ilocate la. Now first touch, now second time touch. Yabona? Uma i-market izohluleka ukurespecta this potential continuation pattern, believe me, you izorespecta the trend line. And once you respect the trend line, izobuyela phansi. And remember again, uma izorespecta this potential continuation pattern, you are not safe again. The reason being, ama-time frame asebenza kanje. I-time frame ifana nomzali. and then ngaphansi kuba nomntwana njalo njalo up until yabona. So lo akatsheli lo what to do, lo akatsheli lo what to do, lo akatsheli lo what to do. It's the other way around. The bigger time frame is telling the smaller time frame what to do. Njalo 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 njalo. So the smaller time frame angeke itshele higher time frame manje siyashintsha direction manje. The smaller time frame izokutshela ukuthi ku downtrend. Asithi like analyze on 4 hour. For 4 hour ungakutshela ukuthi singe downtrend laphana, we are pushing the market down. You then go to 1 hour or 30 minutes. For 30 minutes athi kuwe we are going up. Let's cut the pullback line. Yabona lento ulahlekelwa kuphi. Uma ufika ku 30 minutes uthi siku uptrend. Kanti you go original, that's a pullback. Wayibona into lokuthi why it is very much important ukuthi umuntu efunde ukusebenzisa higher time frame, because uma ukwazi ukusebenzisa higher time frame ukwazi ukubona the overall trend. Asibuke lana futhi again. Uma nikhumbula kahle ngingathi la sinani sine potential continuation pattern angithi. You can see the box in highlight. The potential continuation pattern yet is available on which time frame? On 6 hour time frame. Actually, not even 6 hours. Yeah, I think it's 6 hour and yes, it's 4 hour and 6 hour time frame. We can go and verify. Kunomuntu ozothi mina ngisela la stop loss ami ngisibeka ngaphezulu. I mind ukufisha stop loss ngaphakathi bese siqhubeka ne-trend. Loyo muntu loyo akekho wrong. Reason being angekho wrong. Usebenzise smaller time frame. That is why I always say when you use a smaller time frame, you actually do not have the bigger picture. Let me erase. Now you had a chance of which ufune isell yakho. Now isell yakho, but okay, fine. This is who I'm gonna find myself selling. Why I'm gonna sell here? Because I see we have a potential continuation pattern. The higher the chance that the market's gonna change the direction as soon as you reach a potential continuation pattern. But when I analyze on smaller time frame, let's jump to 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, niyayibona le potential continuation pattern is now zingakanani. Who can highlight it for me? Noma ungafaka i-box using the instrument ufaka i-box kanje. We cover yonke. Anyone khona la ngifuna siye khona, as long as uyenza lento so that uzoba ne-clue ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uma ningayiboni, there's no problem. Ngizoyi-highlighta la ukuthi nibe okay. Thank you very much, but uyishayile ne? Kodwa flip. Okay. Bengifuna ukuthi uthi mawishaya mawishaya we cover from here. This is your whole potential continuation pattern. Now, let's say njengoba uyibone on 4 hour time frame. Uzofuna ukuyisela on this 4 hour time frame. That means stop loss sakho sizoba la. Angithi awukhavanga the whole candlestick. Let's move to 6 hour time frame. 6 hour time frame yabona ukuthi yayiphikisa manje. So ushintshe the whole story manje. Potential continuation pattern yethu seyingakanani? Seyinkulu manje. Yabo seyingakanani? Ayisafani ne-potential continuation pattern allocated on which time frame? On 4 hour time frame. Now siku 6 hour time frame. Show to wena kahle kahle i-entry yakho kumele uyithole kuphi from the beginning of the potential continuation pattern, and then overlap to place stop loss sakho above and give the market a space to breathe. So uma analyze on smaller time frame, i-market ayimind ukuyizongena la, imove freely iyojika up close to the end of the potential continuation pattern, iqhubeke ne-trend. Usuku wena analyze on smaller time frame looking for the same sell opportunity, but with different time frame. Yabona ukuthi manje sowuthola uphume ku-trade ebeli-right ebelizokufakela i-profit. Now let us learn how to use higher time frames. Ungathuswa ukuthi uma ngena ku-higher time frame ngizoluza phela awuthi uma ufanda ngo-10 rand. Uma uzofanda ngo-10 rand, $10. Uma ufanda ngo-$10 uyazi kumele usebenzise roughly about 80 minutes ubuke ama-opportunity afana nalawa yani njengala. Let's move again senze another example. Ngifuna ukuthi le nto ngiyenze ibe nama-example ozokhona ukuthi wa-understande nawe kusasa. And then wazi okay fine ku-scenario efana nale yonke le nto siyi-preventa kanjani yabo ukuze sikhona ukuyi-preventa. Okay, wayelephe inemali engaka edlula igold. Angangiyakhohlisa bafoma ngathi ngizothi ngiyazi to why inemali eningangaka yabona, because amalokhuzana ayahluka ngapha sikuma-synthetics. Ama-synthetics they behave differently from ama-currencies, and funny enough about them, mangabe umuntu ongazwani nama-currents nama-news event uyagood ngapha kuma-synthetics, angehlushwa ama-news event. Ngifuna ukuthi sibuye kancane la yabona, sisebenzise this uptrend. Imarket ifike yareversa la, ifike yareversa la. As it was going up, you were creating ama-opportunity on this uptrend. Let's go to 3-hour time frame. Ngifuna ukuthi uyibuke. Let's take from here to the potential continuation pattern. Sibuka ama-opportunity is now. We're going to 3 hours now. There's nothing. I would let you penetrate here as a chigala. Last specific where my cursor is. You check on your left hand side, there's nothing. Let's move to 2 hours. You reach to 2 hours, so 2 hours will reflect this potential continuation pattern. The market as a chigala. This is 2-hour time frame. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame will reflect in this potential continuation pattern here. Everyone, we are was we tata this potential continuation pattern on $10. We are was should you when a user trader volatility pair on $10, that means on our opportunities out to only. We have only 2 opportunities because of the potential continuation pattern enganga roughly on V75 ngakwazi ukuthi ikunikeze i-loss ka $3 to $4. Looking at this one, ngakwazi ukunikeza that loss uma uzoyithatha as a loss, and then ku-profit ingaya extra mile. Hence you can see ukuthi iphelele kude. Now uma ukhumbula ukuthi ngithe i-take profit yethu siyibeka kanjani, uma usakhumbula ngicela u-highlight ungitshengise take profit yakho kade uyoyibeka kuphi here specific. And mangathi uyabuka ama-candlestick wangapha ku-synthetics awabi nama-weeks awuyele lana iskill sakho sonke siphelele yiso because us-apply, you won't be affected easily. Always remember, angeke uwine every day, ngeke futhi uhlale accurate. Ama-pattern lawa esiwasebenzisako, they are 90% accurate. So they are 10% consider in whatever we do. Here we have TP1. TP1. Remember, if buy yako ila, stop loss yako si roughly. We are pushing the market up. As we push up Pezulu, remember how do we identify any take profit? Okay, we move to the left hand side, TP2. When you take profit, you get the very bigger specific. Always remember where you're gonna place a take profit is where you notice, oh, I have something that has the potential to change the direction of the market. Therefore, that's where I'm gonna place my take profit. There's nothing that you see that can have the chance or the potential, you would change the direction in your market. Therefore, it will be easy for you to exit. And I understand with Jovan Wabegela. Understand why here specifically it is because of Nyazu which Nyasabu hold this courtesy. Eventually market figure on top on the resistance. About also analyze it from higher time frame. Gulula ubone uti usuala nyala. Most events are smaller time frame such as 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 is like nyapuma saima chite. You don't even know what to do. Nini ganjani saibanga evan. But higher time frame ish usala pistolo nyabui. Sugala we are shocked we are buy. That's it. This is the same scenario eyenzeke la. If you remember i-support and resistance masiyenza uzoyifaka nje kanje ngishiya so isuke kuphi isuke ku-destination. It's like uyavuka uyageza uyaphi uya emsebenzini. Mawusuka emsebenzini uyolala lapha ulala emsebenzini angithi you go back home. Mawusuka la is the following day futhi same routine again. Yabona up until they break this support, therefore that's when it's going to change. Still izobuya izoyisebenzisa. These are the things ekumele uzazi ngekhanda. Okay, iscenario enginayo seyime kanje manje uma ngizothola ngibhaya la nge-exita laphayana, and the reason eyokwenza ukuthi ngi-exite laphayana is 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let me take a few questions. Uma kukhona onombuzo, feel free to ask kule topic esidila ngayo manje. Mawuthi mhlambe wena kukhona othi angikuzwa kahle ngokusebenzisa o-higher time frame, let me know ukuthi i-difficulty ikuphi so that we can find the solution yale difficulty online. No kind of question. All right. Uma ngina question mina nginayo. Ukubona ukuthi kade ningimamela. Now, if you had a chance, okay, angibona ngene. We take profit 2 ukuphi, okay? We take 2 was here on this one. We take 2 was here. Uma we check UTP2, you have a support here. It was broken. It became a resistance. Even though it penetrated, yes, they create a potential continuation pattern here. The potential continuation pattern, we are with 30 minutes on a resistance here. So this is where TP2 was. Okay, sharp. In the question, we are left with 5 minutes. So bam. Nama question I'm landing at the ukubona ukuthi uma nginibuza ukuthi umbuzo ukhona nithi ni right ngizophendula kahle na. Kube niladuze nami vele ngigijima nenduku laduze nayo uzoyibamba ngenkani. Sharp. Here you had an opportunity to get in and do what and buy. Where were you going to place your take profit? So here we have TP1 and TP2. Uma tuyabuka wena bafo, but I understand ukuthi angivulanga the whole screen, that is why uzoyifaka laphayana. But uma ungathi uyabuka to the right, yabona, let's come to the right. By breakile, yabona. Now, it's in God. Kunabantwana ngibafuna. Okay, sharp. $9 million question. Who can spot this thing abanye abantu bayibiza ngokuthi fake out ngihlale ngithi asinayo? Who can spot it for me? If ukhumbula amagama wami, you know very well ukuthi ipileshana singizume in singisethu siya short singizume out kancane. This is everything we have. Ngifuna ubukele lento ebayibiza abanye abayibiza ngokuthi fake out, le mina ngithi asinayo. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ubafo ucover the whole chandelier here. Cover the whole chandelier. Yayibona? And masofika la kule chandelier, it's another different story now. Asikale phansi futhi sibuke. Let's look again. I know with some of you and ngicela ungena manje ilokhuza la ngicover. Okay, that was correct though. La angithi yabona market i-break i-resistant. I-resistant already seen touches out too. They are higher the chance that they're gonna break it. So they break it, baya ngaphezulu bazojika la. Yabona? Behla baya phansi. Now, uma umuva uya ku left hand side wakho. Always pay attention to your left hand side. on a potential continuation pattern asenze kanje. On your left hand side, you have a potential continuation pattern. 18, we're gonna push the market down. Uma ubuka leya potential continuation pattern, engihlale ngithi mina between support and resistance, go and look for 1, 2, 3. Uzozithola usave line. Now, if you had a chance to sell the potential continuation pattern there, ubuyo exit if you had a chance to sell this potential continuation pattern, if you had a chance to sell here, where were you going to place your take profit? By the way, sidlala ngo 1 hour. Exit. This is correct. ETP ozobana. Always remember, ngifuna ke manje ukuthi uyibuye ngale ndlela le so that it will be easy for you uma approach uwedwa ungabe nama difficulties. Here, you have a potential continuation pattern on your left hand side. So now, asibuyele ngapha. Khumbula lento engihlale ngisho ukuthi uma unama charges out to, the higher the chance of buy break. Now, mangithi we always observe ukuthi before breakout bakushiyeleni, pay attention. Always observe on your right, on your left hand side again before breakout bakushiyeleni. Now, basebenzise lezi debashiye previously. Remember, when I always say pay attention to what happened previous. Ungezwa umuntu athi trade the current price. The current price is not important. What is important is for you to understand which bakshiyele ini na ubuya khona. You realize that here they left a what? A potential continuation pattern. And then they are breaking the support, the resistance here. Eventually, they will push the market towards what? The potential continuation pattern. Babuya buyers. And they know here with so many people, they will sell here, expect to market is or yes. Market to penetrate here and appears between time stop losses swab. What's gonna happen? Iba kicker out. Now, note ubuke ubutilana batrepe kanjani, ne? Those who decided to sell here, babega stop losses swab above. It pushes towards their stop losses. Yaba kicker out. And then those who don't have experience again, once a resistance broken, it's gonna be tested as a what? A support. If we are panty man, is tested as a break structure. We are buying here. As soon as we buy la, here is the say will be potential continuation pattern. Ya stop losses swab. Ya peso. Always pay attention to your left hand side. It is your duty to check with back sheerly in before breakout. Unfortunately, we have less than a minute. We will scatter Sisakuluma saying like 80.